another messy day. Look at that. Look at our floor. Arya is doing an artwork. As a mom, I am actually proud that she's doing artwork by her own, especially when she do like this one, a wallet by herself. Oh my god. What I don't really like is the mess all around. Look at the floor, guys. It's a lot of mess right now, and it's our everyday life.
It's not that a mess.
As a working mom, you know, when you come home, it feels like directly stressed when you come home, and then there's a lot of mess all over. And at the same time, you feel guilty when you clean up directly without giving time to your child. I have already 3 kids, and I know how it feels that your children grow up super fast. That's why the time is limited, our energy is limited, and I wanted to give it to my daughter. But I don't have to worry anything about cleaning our floor because I have a one-click machine that is a life-changing for me. It helps me a lot. Look at that. Oh my god. This is the DJI Romo. It's become part of my daily routine without me even thinking about it. I just turn it on and it does the job. It's super smart and always knows how to find its way back to the base. And can we talk about the design? Wow! Honestly, I love it. Super beautiful, clean, modern, and elegant. Look at this! Look at the design of this DJI Romo. It's super elegant. You will be super proud if there's someone who will come here and they will see that and they will be amazed. Like the last time I have a post and they came here inside because it was heavy and they saw that it was running, this DJI Romo, and they said, wow, what kind of machine is that? I want to have one. So they took a picture of it and they said, I will probably get one for their home, and it's super elegant. And of course, guys, DJI, you know that DJI brand, DJI company really make a very great product, really amazing. What is this? Very smart, amazing product. It's very super, the quality is super the best. Wow. With a 6-year-old, there are always toys everywhere. Always. What I really appreciate is how DJI Romo avoids everything. From toys, books, cables, even little feet.
Hello! Hello!
Our apartment has lots of corners and tight spaces. Places I usually forget or honestly avoid, especially in the dining area where there's always dirt on the floor. But this goes everywhere, under chairs, along edges, into corners. It cleans spots I wouldn't normally reach without me even thinking about it. DJI is very well known for drones, cameras, and I'm so amazed that they have this DJI Romo, a robo machine that will clean your home. My mind is at peace when you have a clean, tidy home. You won't be a grumpy mom. You will be a happy mom, a very calm mom when your home is clean. Look, oh my god, I have a lifesaver. And she's cleaning all the dust now, dusting everywhere. What do you do? It's also smart enough to locate and recognize every room in the house. It creates a full map before you even start using it. So everything is organized from the very beginning. All the instructions are easy to follow in the manual and directly in the app. You just install the DJI app and you can monitor and control everything right from your phone. It doesn't just vacuum, it mops. The mopping feature is honestly great for handling spills and everyday mess. As a mom who's always cooking, the kitchen floor gets dirty fast. That's why I love how it leaves the floor clean, especially in high traffic areas like the kitchen. shining, shimmering, splendid.
Shining, shimmering, splendid. Shining, princess.
Oh. And you know, as a working mom, as a working single mom, I don't have always extra time, extra helping hands. So DJI Romo helps me a lot to clean our home, to have more time with Arya. And if you want to have one, check the link in our description down below. When you finally have extra time, when you don't have to clean the house, you don't have to clean the floor, and everything just runs a little easier, that time becomes so precious.
Sun growing, slipping through my fingers all the time.
That's the time I get to spend with my daughter. Not rushing, not choosing between work and being a mom. Tools like DJI Romo help give me that time back. If you're a working mom like me, you'll understand why that matters.
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time.
Hi, good morning! Good morning, everyone! Today is Monday and the first day of Arya in kindergarten in 2026. So this would be her last semester in kindergarten and then she's going to school. Wow! So we're gonna give our best, Arya. We tried to wake up early but we woke up so late because we used to sleep late from holiday and we woke up so late also. So today is 8:30 in the morning. But the kindergarten will close at 9. So it's okay. She still have like 30 minutes time. And we're traveling, going to kindergarten for 10 minutes. Yeah. So, see you later. Bye. Arya?
Bye.
Peace. Turn off the camera, please. Thanks. Grabe po, nag-snow po yung ating floor. Pero wala namang pumapatak na snow. Dahil lang po ito sa sobrang lamig. Woo! Don't play.
Long time didn't see it.
Oops. Wait, it's so down. Ay, naku. Napakababa po ng stand ng ating bicycle kaya natumba siya. Nakakapanibago po ngayon na magbike at mag-start ulit. Okay, Freya. Okay, go. Nakakapanibago dahil matagal po tayong nagbakasyon. Go, Arya, sit. Please. Matagal tayo nakapagbakasyon, holiday, yung Christmas, New Year. Tapos ginoo ko. Ano kayang meron din sa likod? Wait. So nakikita nyo po na puro na po dito snow, hindi yan snow, yellow, 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 ayan. Walang snow pero nag-yellow po yung floor dahil sa sobrang lamig. And are you okay there? Naninibago po ako sa pag-drive kasi medyo madulas kapag ganito na weather, medyo delikado. Ayan, and Arya got a forest knowledge beanie. Thank you sa ating sponsor. So, mag-kindergarten na po siya. Ciao! Nasa kindergarten na po si Arya at sa nakikita nyo, nawala na po yung aking false eyelash. Ganyan po yung naked or bare eye ko. No? Medyo tanda na tayo ngayon. Grabe, another year. Another plus sa ating edad. At grabe, magka-wrinkles na po tayo. Pag smile ako, makikita ko talaga yung mga wrinkles ko. Pero, we still have to enjoy our life. Kahit na tatanda tayo. Another plus sa edad. At nakikita nyo dyan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Meron po dyan yung castle. Ang ganda po tingnan. Gusto ko pumunta dyan pero malayo po. Pero pupunta po tayo sa isang lugar kung saan ay filled with snow. Galing sila Arya doon at Tia. Nagsayaw-sayaw sila, nagpicture. Kaya gusto ko siyang puntahan bago tayo umuwi ng bahay kasi malapit lang siya. Around 2 minutes to walk. Or to drive pala with bicycle. At yung ating bike, hindi pa naman siya low-bat. Kaya tara, isasama ko kayo doon. Let's tour. Ayan, dyan po tayo pupunta. Grabe na, makabuti yung ating mukha. Ayan, dito ko ni-park yung ating bicycle and anhinga ni Arya. Sana wala pong magnakaw, kaya wala po tayong susi. Pero feel ko wala naman kayo. Medyo tahimik naman ngayon. Oh. Napakatahimik ng lugar. Hindi pa po nag-start yung school. Yung kindergarten open na kasi yung mga parents, di ba, magtrabaho. Kaya mas nauna po yung kindergarten na mag-open. Diyan po tayo pupunta sa baba. At nakikita ko na meron pa naman siya mga puti-puti snow. Ayan, diyan tayo. Sana wala magnakaw. Pakibantay po. Ay. Ito yung hagdan. Ay halaka, meron pa lang tao dito. Nakatingin sa akin. Meron pa nakatingin. Okay, naka-auto naman siya. So, sana walang kukuha nun. Pero confident naman ako na walang magkuha ng ating bicycle. Saka andito lang naman. Malapit lang. Kaya madali lang natin kunin. At hindi tayo magtagal dito. Mga around 1 minute, 2 minutes. Ayun. Sapat na mag-picture. Ganun. Tapos alis. Maganda sana dito magawa ng intro video. Pero walang mag-video sa atin. Grabe. Halaka. Oh, Diyos ko. May aso. Oh my God! Katakot ang aso. Ang siya, oh. Okay. Danke. Tay. Grabing tapo na aso sa akin. Ang laki. Alles gut. Alles gut. Ich will nur Foto machen.
Bitte?
Ich will nur Foto machen hier.
Ja, ich würde sagen, ich fotografiere, aber ich kann das nicht.
Ja, alles gut, danke.
Meine Fotos werden immer schief. So, da kommt jetzt noch ein Hund.
Diyos ko, malapit po akong tinakbo po ako ng aso. Pero mabait naman yung mga aso dito. Confident naman ako na wala silang gagawin sa akin. Kaya okay lang. Sila, oh. Thank you, Lord, for the new year 2026. Ay. Woo! Ay. Alles gut. Alles gut.
Alles in Ordnung.
It's okay. Diyos ko, daming aso dito. Wala tayong photographer kaya alis na tayo. 1-2 minutes sama na. Nakinuyod tayo. Tinakbuhan tayo ng mga aso. Tinatakot nila ako, ha? Yan sila, oh. Kaya mga aso kayo. Manda kayo sa akin. Grabe lahat talaga na aso. 3 aso yan, oh. Isa-isa. Isa-isa pumunta sa akin. Tapos ang bilis ng kanilang takbo. Wow, wow, wow. Grab, grab. Ay, naku. Yan. Saka na tayo at sana walang kumuha ng ating bicycle. Kaya may narinig ako kanina, may isang auto, tsaka isang bus. Pero, okay lang yun. Sige, mga aso. Hala. Oh my God. Oh, ang dami palang nag-park dito. Nashock ako. Akala ko kinuyod na yung aking bicycle. Ginoo ko. Ah! Yan oh! Nashock ako pagtingin ko. Biglang marami ng mga sasakyan po dito sa gilid. Ayan, ilan yun sila? 4. Akala ko kinuyod yung bicycle kasi may nangyari pong ganyan. Sa isa pong kababayan natin na nagpark lang, tapos biglang kinuha yung kanyang auto. Yun pala, wrong parking. Ay, ginoo ko. Kinabahan ako dun. So tara na. Balik tayo sa bahay. Grabe po kalamig. Ay, meron po tayong gloves. Nilalamig po yung aking kamay. Grabe yung ating floor off. Oh, yellow. Ang sakit-sakit po sa balat. Ang lamig. Grabe yung snow. Buti na lang may bus. Wala siyang balakubok. Grabe po ang pagdahan-dahan ng ating bus na pag-drive kay napaka-slide ng daan ngayon dahil nasa sa snow. Grabe ang lakas po ng snow sa aming lugar ngayon. Kaya talagang dahan-dahan po yung pag-drive, pag-larga ng ating bus. Kaya pala medyo late sila. Hi, dito po tayo ngayon sa Cologne. Grabe po yung snow. Uy! Tingnan nyo. Medyo makapal. Ayan. My chance. Whew! Grabe no. Ang ganda tingnan. Thank you Lord sa New Year. Grabe, hindi po basta-basta pag may snow kay sobrang lamig. Kasi yung snow kapag natutunaw, nagiging tubig. Parang iced water. Parang gano'n. Ayan, dito na po tayo sa Dome Cathedral. Yan. Lamig pa. Lah, Diyos ko Lord, grabe ka slide. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nag-slide na yung mga tao dito. Lagyan nila ng sulupin yung buhok na. Dahil yung snow, tutunaw, nababasa ka, kaya meron silang umbrella. Yung buhok niya nilagyan na sila. Filipino style. Mostly sa kanila, oh. Naglalagay ng cellophane. Hi. Start na kasi ng carnival dito sa Germany. Sexy. Yan. Harap.
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on